Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Welcome to our journey into the world of the present continuous tense. Today, we're diving into this essential part of English grammar, perfect for describing actions that are happening right now or even planned for the future. Let's start by understanding what the present continuous tense is all about. It's used for actions occurring at this very moment, for ongoing or temporary situations, and even for future plans. Imagine saying, I am learning English. It's happening as we speak. Now, how do we form the present continuous tense? It's quite simple. You just need the subject followed by am, is, or are, and then add the verb ending in ing. For example, I am watching TV or she is sleeping. Easy, right? But wait, there's more to forming the ing form of verbs. For most verbs, you simply add ing. For verbs ending in e, you drop the e and add ing, like write becomes writing. And if a verb ends in a consonant-vowel-consonant pattern, like run, you double the last consonant and add ing, making it running. Now, when should you use the present continuous tense? Look out for time expressions like now, at the moment, right now, today, tonight, or even this week. These clues help you decide when to use this tense. Let's bring it to life with some real-world examples. Picture yourself saying, I am studying English right now, or she is staying with her friends this weekend. These sentences illustrate how the present continuous tense fits into everyday conversation. Ready to practice? Let's fill in some sentences together. For instance, they listen to music. Can you fill in the blank? As we wrap up, I invite you to ask any questions you might have. Let's review what we've covered: the formation of the tense, its usage with time expressions, and how it applies to real-life situations. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using the present continuous tense with confidence.